Hey loves, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you a part of my little YouTube family. And if you are subscribed, what's going on, shorty? How you doing? I'm doing okay. I'm feeling so much better than I did previously. It's about time. I'm almost myself, almost, not 100%, but I'm definitely like at 90, child, or maybe 95. I'm sure by the title you can kind of already know what I'm gonna be unboxing, but if you didn't read the title and you just clicked on the video, I will be unboxing my brand new Apple Watch. I got the Series 9. Yes, I have currently the 7 and I also have a 6. Now, I said let me upgrade. I got a new phone. I might as well get a new watch. It goes hand in hand, right? So that's what I did. I got, you know, brand new watch. Anyways, I'm about to show you that right now. But first, I'm going to show you the cases that came in after I did the case, the iPhone case video, the accessories and the haul try on. Yeah, you know that one. If you haven't watched it, I'll link it at the end of the video or I'll link it below and you can watch it. But if you did watch it, then you know that I did receive 2 other cases yesterday that I didn't get to show you guys. So a wallet case, it's green, it's leather this time it's leather, not silicone, and it has a zipper to it. I think it works. I hope it works. Oh yes, it works. So a zipper and also a little trifold wallet, but it's super cute. I love it. Let's put it on my phone so you can see what it looks like. Why not, right? And we don't have that same issue that we was having with the other phones because this one has a cutout. And it's a crossbody. How stinking cute is that? Yes, love it. Love it. The next one is just like the black purse one that I showed you in the last video. Only this one is beige. It wouldn't be my video if I didn't have some kind of bloopers, right? Wow. So, this is my first time looking at it. Why are they sending me a black chain and not a cream one or beige? That is ghetto. I didn't see that. I did not see that, so I will definitely not be using this with this. So this won't be a crossbody, but I might send this one back then because it's super cute too. I just hate that. I hate that it's not cohesive and it doesn't match. Like, that's so tacky. But same case, same concept. It's super cute. Love it. But yes, I was waiting to do this unboxing with you guys. I just waited till I felt better because I already have a watch, but I wanted the updated watch. I like the updated technology, so yeah. Let's get to it though. Why not, right? Let's be aggressive. Oh, just kidding. Oh. Oh, snap. Can y'all actually see it? Okay, here we go. Yes. I need to take some pictures. Hold on. Let's pause this video for a minute. Act like we pausing it. I'm just gonna fast forward and cut this part. Video looks better. I mean, the camera looks better with no flash. So I got it in black because I always, well, midnight. Okay, there we go. I got it in midnight. My nails are so weak, but I love that sound. Take it forever. Take it forever. Ooh. This is how she comes in the box. But before I go to that, let's show you everything. So I ended up getting the clay sports band. Because I don't have that color. So why not? Ooh. So cute. So in the box, it comes with your standard watch. Yes, okay. I might return my other watch charger because this one is actually a USB-C as well. I didn't know that. See, I don't read anything. I just buy it, honestly. I just buy it. So I have a charging block that has 2 ports or ports. 2 ports to it, and I will be charging my new watch with this one. I'll probably give my husband the old one, so the old charging thing, so it's a lightning charger for him. Anyways, look how cute and dainty that is. It's super cute and dainty. I freaking love it. Okay, could we like slide it out? We can. Ooh, while that is turning on, let's attach our watch band. Let's do that, right? I'm all up on y'all. Okay, wait. So let's pair it. Oh, that was so simple. Oh. Simple. Let's just attach this while it sets up. All right. Let's wait until it activates. It's checking for updates. New phone, new watch. Why not? So it's about to update to 10.1. All right, y'all, we had a minor glitch. I had to remember my password. I put the same password like 20 times and it still didn't work, but now it worked. The same password I was putting was the password that it was. So clearly, I don't know, but it says 2 minutes and then we should be up and running. We'll see how long it takes. In the meantime, I have so many watch bands. As you can see, I have a gold one. I'm just going to use it on this one, but probably tomorrow I'll use this band because why not? I don't know though. It's kind of big. I'm not a fan of the big faces. But I did want to show you guys what it looked like versus the one that I have. It's probably the same exact thing. So, but I do have the Series 7. This is the Series 7 and this is the Series 9. So low upgrade, low. I didn't do much today. Today is Sunday. We just chilled. My husband's sick, so we just went to grab some food. He got Wingstop. Me and Ari had Panera Bread. I got a salad. And I didn't even eat my salad yet, but I will. And if you're not subscribed and you're watching this, please consider subscribing. I am a mom of one, a wife. I do unboxings. I do day in the lives, mainly day in the lives because this is a vlog channel. It's not an unboxing. It is very much a vlog, but I do it all. And I talk a lot. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna cut that. Okay, so this is gonna take a while to update, so I'm gonna let you guys go for now. I will definitely do a comparison of the 7 and the 9, and I also have a 6, so I would probably do a comparison of all 3 watches in a future video. But for now, I'm gonna let you guys go because I do have to get up a little early tomorrow because I have a dentist appointment. My husband has a dentist appointment, and we're also celebrating our Halloween, our family Halloween tomorrow because my husband has work on Halloween, so he's not going to be able to celebrate it with us. And we plan on having, you know, a cute little family Halloween where you guys will see on Halloween. You guys will see this on Halloween. So, well, not this video, but you will see the big day. And I'm also gonna let a guest vlogger vlog the day. So that should be fun, hopefully. And hopefully my husband's feeling better. Hopefully we're not in too much pain from the dentist because I am doing a deep cleaning. I think he's also doing a deep cleaning. So hopefully that Novocaine, or the, not Novocaine, the anesthetic. No, the anesthesia. Hopefully the anesthesia wears off quickly and we could actually talk and be happy and celebrate. But my mouth, I know, is gonna hurt, so we'll see how this goes, child. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you a part of my little YouTube family. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share it with all the people that you feel would enjoy this video as well. And thank you all for watching. Until next time.
True man, I'm free, I wake up a new episode. I pop out cleaners, keep me up a level though. She talk to me like I'm not me, I get it though. Yeah, I'm so eclectic, on me to the credits. Roll talk down to me, they might have to send medical. I'm out the league, I'm
gonna have to do another video.
Look how I move, I'm protected.
It's late.
So in my
I gotta go.
The world I went through it outside, they unruly, but I keep it cool, they can't press me. I keep it pure with intention. They see what I'm on, ain't no vixen. I might like do it that top down.